Hi, I'm Joan.
And I'm Caroline.
And we're We Make Good, a new design and homewares brand, network and shop. At We Make Good, we believe that beauty lies not just in what we see, but in the story of how a product is made. We're working with some of Ireland's best designers to make beautiful products that are made by Irish people facing social challenges. We Make Good stands for big ideas, equality, opportunity and a belief in each other.
The problem that many charities are facing is that they have amazing training programs working with vulnerable groups such as refugees, people from the travelling community, people with disabilities, or people with a history of being in prison. And while their training programs are great, people aren't making the transition into employment as much as they'd like. We think that the answer to this is social enterprise.
We're based in Dublin City and we're looking forward to our launch in late October, which will also be in the city centre, where you'll get a chance to see some of our 30 products, which range from small furniture, kitchenwares and textiles.
This idea is a collaboration between many people who are very passionate about the idea that We Make Good is all about. And we'd particularly like to thank the Dublin City Social Enterprise Awards, or ICE, for their support. They're enabling us to bring these amazing products and this fantastic idea out to people so that they can look at our fantastic projects and, like us, be really amazed at what social enterprise in Ireland can achieve.